Hey guys, so today I'm actually here at the beach, downtown Fort Lauderdale Beach. Today I did do like a little job searching in one of the shopping plazas. Well, basically they were saying, well, the managers were saying that for me to call back probably like Friday and see how it goes. So I don't know, we'll see. Guys, look at the ocean water, so beautiful. This is like a beach park. Hey guys, so I'm at the beach right now and I'm kind of chilling. I'm at downtown Fort Lauderdale Beach. It's pretty private out here. It's actually, well, it says like it's a park, but I don't see like the park. Like, you know, like swings and like chairs and stuff. But it looks like a private beach, so I'm gonna show you guys. So nice out here. You guys, I'm so sad right now. Like, I literally tried everything, like near my city, a little far from my city that I live. Don't mind that in the background. I don't know what that is, but like, I need a job and it's been so hard. Like, I really need to find something, and I've tried everything. It's like with retail, they say like, oh, they're not hiring right now, or there's like a particular season. Like, it's so annoying, but yet they have like the hiring sign, like, or they'll say like, yeah, they're hiring, but not right now. Like, why would you waste people's time to like say apply and stuff like that if you're not hiring? But I don't know, I don't understand. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me, probably close to the water. It's really, really hot, so I don't know if I'm going to be out here for too long since I was job searching. And it's really hot, so yeah, guys, Florida is blazing. Guys. I know you guys hear the airplane, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in the water and try to brighten my mood, and see what happens this week. If not, guys, honestly, I might just have to stick to doing YouTube and make that my priority. Is that how you say it? Priority? I can't even say it right, but I might just have to continue doing YouTube because your girl needs something to do, some type of income, flowing income, and I really need the help. So if you guys please subscribe, tell people about my channel, click the notification bell, and yeah, like, I really, really need it so bad. So I'm gonna brighten my mood, and we're gonna change the mindset right now, and we're gonna go in the water. I'm gonna try to ignore everything that's negative, and yeah. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna be heading in the water. I'm gonna show you guys the ocean. Woo! It's so freaking hot. Oh my god. Guys, I'm trying to hold on to my selfie stick for dear life. Oh wow, the water actually feels pretty warm. Wow. Guys, I love the beach. I love the beach. Woo! Woo! Guys, maybe the 9 to 5 is not for me. It's not for me anymore. So I feel like I'm trying to do entrepreneurship and trying to make this my life. But the water is amazing. It's so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Guys, I kind of don't want to get my phone too wet, so this might be a short little mini vlog. But yeah. Woo! Ah. Oh my god, I love it here. You guys, Get some vitamin, what is it, D or E? Get you some, because the water is amazing. It's actually warm. I thought it would have been like cool or cold, but it's not. But yeah. Woo! So nice. I look like a mermaid. Woo! Mermaid. Yeah, I love you guys. All right, that's it. I'm putting my phone down for a minute because your girl can't handle that with my phone. Okay, you guys, so I went in the water. The water is amazing. Like, it's really, really cool. And it's so relaxing out here. Like, it's so nice. Look at all that ocean water, guys. So beautiful. Woo! Guys, this is what it's like to be alone at the beach. Like, look at that. Someone's literally driving a boat. Look. Wow. Wow. I want to cruise on there. Wow. You guys, so I was told that this beach is 24 hours. So, I feel like I might come out here more often. I feel like it's really, really private and nice. Like, I could show you guys the clouds right now, and there's airplanes floating around. I'm gonna show you. Can you see that, guys? Look at the airplane. Yeah, guys. It is very, very comfortable out here. So comfortable out here, and I'm just chilling, relaxing, just trying to have a good time, and yeah. I'm so alone at the beach, like, that's crazy. But I always go to the beach alone. But, like, look how beautiful the cloud and the ocean is. Wow. Hey guys, so I'm totally out of breath right now. I just went in the ocean, probably like for the second time or the third time. So the water feels nice. Like, it's pretty cool. Honestly, I mean, like, if you don't go in there for like 10 minutes or so, it starts to feel cool again. But for the most part, like, the water's actually warm. And yeah, like, it feels so nice. So I'm just gonna probably leave right now, probably head back home or something. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, and also share my videos, like them up, and yeah. Guys, like, I feel like I'm Mermaid right now. Like, it feels so nice. Look at the water. Anyways, guys, bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to leave right now. The beach was amazing. The water was so nice. I encourage you guys to come to Florida and take a vacation. But yeah.